Good news everyone! Matsura's machining accuracy is about to get even higher. Let me introduce the new optional feature starting September 1st, 2025. The 5-axis error measurement and compensation function eZ-5 V2. The eZ-5 is a function that automatically measures the position of a reference sphere mounted on the machine table or pallet. Based on this measurement, it calculates and compensates for the geometric errors of a 5-axis machine to enhance machining accuracy. Using a touch probe and a reference sphere, anyone can easily maintain high machining accuracy with minimal operation. We have previously offered the eZ-5 function as an optional feature, and now we are proud to introduce its upgraded version, eZ-5 V2. The eZ-5 V2 delivers even greater machining accuracy with clear improvements over the original eZ-5. The comparison shows how geometric errors are now corrected with even higher precision. While the original eZ-5 corrected the coordinates of the rotary axis center, tilting and rotary axis, eZ-5 V2 goes a step further by compensating for the position deviations in the X, Y, and Z axis that occur due to the inclination of those axes. Let's take a closer look what this means using a case where machining is performed at the center of the workpiece. In the case where the rotary and tilting axes have no inclination, even if there is a deviation in the position of the rotation center, both eZ-5 and eZ-5 V2 are able to perform accurate compensation and machine precisely at the center of the workpiece. When the axes are inclined, such as when the tilting axis is angled relative to the y-axis, the original eZ-5 cannot fully compensate for the resulting deviations. This causes the cutting position to shift from center, reducing machining accuracy. In contrast, eZ-5 V2 is capable of compensating even for such rotational and angular inclinations, allowing it to accurately machine the center of the workpiece by adjusting the position accordingly. In other words, with more geometric errors are now included in the compensation scope, eZ-5 V2 achieves a higher positional accuracy and improved machining precision compared to the original version. When machining was performed using a sample model, the results were as shown. Compared to the original eZ-5, eZ-5 V2 achieves a 66% improvement in concentricity, and dimensional accuracy improved by 84% on the x-axis, 66% on the y-axis, and 79% on the z-axis. While the original eZ-5 operated in a single daily mode, eZ-5 V2 introduces a new option, routine inspection mode, in addition to the conventional mode. In this mode, as previously explained, the system not only updates the coordinates of the rotation centers of the tilting and rotary axis, but also recalculates the compensation values for the X, Y, and Z axis according to the inclination of those axes. Regular use of routine inspection mode helps offset the environmental changes like seasonal temperature shifts and long-term mechanical wear that can deform machine posture. This keeps machining accuracy consistent over time. Additionally, in this mode, the tilting and rotary axes are positioned at multiple orientations to measure the reference sphere. To avoid interference between the spindle and machine structure during these extended measurements, the reference sphere has also been upgraded. We hope this has given you a clear understanding of the value eZ-5 V2 brings to 5-axis machining. This enhanced geometric error measurement and compensation function will be available as an optional feature starting September 1st, 2025. Supported machine models are listed as shown. Additionally, retrofit installation of eZ-5 V2 is possible under the conditions here. Why not take your machining accuracy to the next level with eZ-5 V2, the upgraded 5-axis error compensation system designed to deliver even greater precision.